Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread bowls. First, select a robust cornbread recipe that will hold its shape well. Next, prepare your muffin tin by thoroughly greasing each cup to prevent sticking. This ensures easy removal later. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, getting it ready for baking. These initial steps are crucial for perfect results. Once your oven is preheated, fill each muffin cup about 2/3 full with your prepared cornbread batter. Avoid overfilling to ensure they cook evenly. Bake them for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Immediately after removing them from the oven, use the back of a spoon to gently create an indentation in the center of each, forming the bowl shape. After shaping, it's important to allow your cornbread bowls to cool completely. This helps them firm up and prevents them from breaking when you remove them. Once cooled, gently twist and lift each bowl from the muffin tin. Now they are ready to be filled. These versatile bowls are perfect for serving hearty chili, savory stews, or even creamy soups. For even easier removal, consider using a non-stick muffin tin or silicone molds. Don't be afraid to get creative with your cornbread recipe. Adding ingredients like jalapenos or cheese can elevate the flavor profile of your bowls. These are fantastic for game day or a cozy family dinner. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cornbread bowls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.